Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from London, England. I'm here, as you know, having a great time setting up OmniCamp. But hey, markets are going crazy, and that's really important. So let's talk about them first. This video coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. It's video number 2828. 2828. Remember that trading is risky, trading of any nature. I don't care if you're in crypto, if you're in options, if you're in futures or stocks, it's all risky. Put your stops in and put them in first, okay? I always warn you about that. Make sure you do it. Let's get moving. So NASDAQ, this is the daily NASDAQ chart. We're still sitting at this double top that I showed you, a few days back in the video. We have not bested it yet, and I've got mixed signals across the board in my U.S. indices. So NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, they're showing me different signals. I say we leave that alone. Let that work itself out. We are going to play here if we get a chance. Let me show you this next chart. I think you'll love it. Look at the gold chart. We got a red Omni on gold. It is just falling apart. Do you know where? Do you see where? Remember I pointed out this insane average that we've been holding? And what I've been showing you is that the market runs up, then consolidates down to hits the average, explodes up, consolidates down to hit the average, it holds again, explodes up, consolidates down, but this time it takes the average out and boom, down we go. The Omni is red, looking for us to sell the rallies in silver and or gold for trading on Tuesday. Traders, if you like what's in these videos, if this information is helping you, please make sure you subscribe to these videos. Do that now. Click the button below and make sure that you watch them because they're always full of information that's useful for trading the very next day. So subscribe to the videos and you'll be notified when I put out the next one, which is almost every day. So gold looking terrible. NASDAQ confused, really no signal for us. But then there's this. Have you seen this one, traders? Bitcoin hits my 85,000 target. How about that, kids? When I made that call, everyone told me I was crazy. I'm going to have a drink, Crown Royal. Bitcoin, 85,000. I cannot believe it got there so soon. This is the end of 2024. We had this hitting in 2025, but maybe the end of 24 is the same as 25. But we nailed that target, kids. Fantastic. Now, here's what I will do. Now that we've hit that target, if you recall, 5 years prior to this, I gave out a 35,000 target. The market went up from 17 all the way to 35 and hit the target. Then I said, okay, now that we've hit the 35 target, let's do a new measurement. And 85,000 was our next target. I will do another measurement and I'll come up with whatever target is coming up next and I'll share that with you. But the most fun thing I have in this video, well, Bitcoin going up is fun, but the most fun thing I have in this video is an offer to my UK European OMNIACs. I'm here in the UK. I've got an OmniCamp I'm setting up and the OmniCamp will end on Tuesday. Well, it'll actually end on Monday, the 18th of this month. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to host a party here in the UK on Tuesday for any of my OMNIACs that are local or wherever you are. You could be a few miles away. You could be in the Netherlands. I am going to host a party on Tuesday and invite all the OMNIACs from Europe that are close enough to come by that couldn't make OmniCamp. So if you'd like to meet me, if you'd like to shake my hand, if you'd like to hang out with a bunch of OMNIACs for the whole day, get in touch with me. Send me an email to send me an email to Oscar. Well, even better, I'll get this immediately. Send it to futuresanalysts@gmail.com. Let me know if you're going to come out. That email is easy to find. It's on all my websites. It's everywhere. futuresanalysts@gmail.com. If you're going to come out, let me know so I can get a head count and I can figure out what we need for the party. So if you're coming out, if you want to join me on Tuesday, that will be the 19th of this month. I am opening up the doors at this Omni house that I've made for this Omni camp, and I will invite all of my OMNIACs from Europe to come hang out and party with me. Lisa's here. Dano will be here. His wonderful wife will be with them. Come meet the Omni. Make sure you show up. Get in touch with me any way you can if you want to make this party. Let me get a head count. That'll be the 19th next week. Is it this week, Lisa? It'll be next week on the 19th. So thank you for tuning in. Rock and roll, Bitcoin. Woo-hoo! I feel my phone getting heavier every day the price goes up. Go Bitcoin. All right, traders, thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. Subscribe, like, and share to these videos if you don't mind. And then once you put your trades on, say this to yourselves over and over again because you know it's going to help you. Many of you know what I'm going to say, so say it with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. In. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Wow, Bitcoin. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com and get in touch with me if you want to make the Omni party.